Greetings to one and all. I am Akash and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I will clear them in 3 to 4 days. If you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch. The link is in the description. In this video, we will be learning the basic structure of HTML and how to write HTML code. We will be creating multiple projects in HTML which might look ugly at first, but after we learn CSS, it would be fantastic. Before continuing this video, make sure that you have installed Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Now, let's create a new folder. And I will name it HTML Introduction. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and drag and drop this folder. Now to create a new file, we have to click on this button and name the file. In my case, I will name it index. And this .html is very important. This .html is also called as the extension. Extensions are defining that this is a HTML file. Click on enter. Here we will analyze the basic structure of HTML. Every element in an HTML file has three things: an opening tag, a closing tag, and the content in between those two tags. But in exceptional cases, we have some tags which don't has a closing tag or content. Those tags are called self-closing tags. We will learn more of these tags in our next videos. So as we have analyzed the structure of HTML, let's code some HTML. The first line of code in any HTML file should be the doc type declaration. So type the left angle bracket and click on enter. So this piece of code is generated from VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Now doc type HTML tells the browser that this document or file is in HTML language. In previous versions of HTML, this was about 4 to 5 lines of code, which made our code very messy. But HTML5 has resolved this problem by making it in one line. The next tag we have to write is the HTML tag, which has an opening tag and a closing tag. This HTML tag has again two tags, namely the head tag and the body tag. So if I go to a website named YouTube, the head tag or the title tag over here is this YouTube. Over here I can see it. So if I create a tag over here called title, title, and say hello coders. So to visualize this code, we have to go to the extensions panel and search for live server. Click on this extension. This extension is developed by Ritvik Day. We have to install it. I have already installed it, therefore it shows me to uninstall. Over here you have a button called install. Click on that button. You might need to close your Visual Studio Code and reopen it. Then you will get a button over here called Go Live. Click on it and there you go. You can see our code. So Hello Coders is visible over here. Now in the body tag, let me add a h1 tag. h1. This h1 tag, I will say hello, I am an h1. So h1 means nothing but heading 1. We have heading 6 also. We have heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, until heading 5. I mean till 6. So these headings also decrease their size if I go. As you can see, heading 6 is the smallest tag or heading you can see, and H1 is the largest tag. So next comes the paragraph tag. You can add a paragraph by saying this tag. Example, I will say I am Akash, a young programmer. So this is a paragraph. Now let's go to Wikipedia and let us copy a bunch of paragraphs. Copy and let me paste it over here. As you can see, the paragraph is displayed over here. Now, if I make this paragraph with a capital P, it will work because HTML is a non-case sensitive language, which means that HTML doesn't care if you are writing the tags in capitals or smalls, but there is a convention to write them in small because it looks more good. Later we have the pre tag. Now if I do any changes, like if I after the British, if I click on enter, there is no change over here, right? So in that case, if I copy this whole thing, enter and paste it over here and add the pre, which means preserved tags. See, the enter I do also matters. If I again enter over here, you can see the changes over here also. If I do any spacing or entering, you can see the changes over here. Normally pre-tags are used to display any poems, etc. Later we have the article tag. This tag is similar to the paragraph tag. It has no changes, as you can see. Let me copy and paste it over here. See, there is another article over here. Now comes the divisions. Div. So div tags are used to divide your content into multiple parts. So I will add all the H1s over here in one division and delete these H1s. Later I will add another div to classify. Now I will add a bold tag and say hello, I am bolder. As you can see, it is bold. If I remove these things and say p tag, you can see the difference, right? Firstly, it was a bit thicker, the font was a bit thicker. Afterwards, it was a bit smaller. Now it's thicker again. Next, we have the emphasize tag or I tag, italic tag. If I say hello, I am italic, you can see the italic things over here. Next, we have many tags. For example, I will show you the button tag over here. Button. If I say hello, I am a button, you can see a button over here, but if you click, nothing happens. So tada, you have learned the bare minimum tags in HTML. From the next video, we will learn some advanced HTML tags such as displaying the images, videos, audios, or even linking other HTML pages, styling the HTML pages, and many more. So tune into my channel to learn more.